Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
The Backstreet Boys. They're back with a sold-out DNA World Tour, and we chat with the audio crew about bringing that classic sound back to packed venues using a massive Adamson rig from Sound Image. Our own Kevin Mitchell looks into the audio complexities of presenting 2 weekends of back-to-back beachfront festivals, with Maryland Sound providing a VTX rig from JBL for the main stage. Our installations spotlight highlights 7 recent church projects that overcome acoustical challenges and elevate the worship experience with spoken word clarity and soul-stirring music. The Spanish Ballroom, the historic Tacoma, Washington venue, gets a new sound system, and we present an exclusive look at the project. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on 10-inch PA speakers. Once upon a time, most everyday speaker-on-a-stick jobs required 12 or 15-inch speakers, but next-generation compact systems with 10-inch woofers are proving their value. We visit the latest in these versatile wonders. Installations. The Caverns spotlights an underground performance venue where Fred Flintstone would feel right at home. In the Digital Edge, Steve Lacera offers some simple ways to ensure rock-solid wireless performance.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.